What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So meron na naman tayong ire-react from Arvery Lagoring. Ito yung Tubig at Langis kasi marami sa inyong nag-request after I posted yung kay IEG na I Who Have Nothing. So if hindi nyo pa yun nakita, I've made a reaction sa kanyang performance na yun, and that was an epic, perfectly done performance. Ngayon, punta tayo kay Arvery. Ito ay nangyari noong April 23, 2025. Isa sa kanyang mga performances sa Grand Restback 2025 ng Tawag ng Tanghalan. So if you guys are new in my channel, please do subscribe, and you can follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay? Let's begin. Let's go to the video.
Tubig at langis ang katayuan natin, yan ang kawangis. Pilitin man magsamay, may mahapis. Kaniyang-kaniyang tayong dalawa. Ang panuntunay magkaiba.
Grabe yung storytelling nito. Galing.
Tubig at langis, itarang sa hiling, di rin tatamis. Dahil ang halo'y luha, paghihinapis, ang kirot ay di maalis. Malapis.
She's really a great storyteller. Alam niya kung kailan ididiin sa mga puso natin yung mga inaawit niya nga or binibigas niyang mga salita. Grabe, magaling talaga si Arvery. First two words pa lang na binigas niya, na inawit niya, ramdam na natin agad.
Bakit nanaig ang tusa sa ligaya sa ating daigdig?
And the clarity of her voice, amazing.
May dasal pa akong hindi niya narinig. Papel natin sa pag-ibig. Ako'y langis, ika'y tubig. Tubig at langis, itarang man sa inip, di rin tatamis. Dahil ang halo'y luha, paghihinagpis, ang kirot ay di maalis. Kung labis, bakit nalaig ang dusa sa ligaya sa
Grabe!
may dasal mo kung hindi niya narinig. Papel natin sa pag-ibig.
Ang galing!
Ako'y langis, ika'y tubig.
Woo! Ang galing!
Langis, ika'y tubig. Ako'y langis, ika'y tubig.
What? Modulate, modulate. Yes. Grabe. Naiyak yung isang orado, no? Grabe si Arvery, man. One thing that really stood out is not just her vocals, but her dynamics. No, how she controlled the song's volume and how she interprets it, na talagang mararamdaman natin from the get-go. And I think she really nailed the dynamics on point. And low-key, Very underrated yung agility ng vocals niya. She can really belt high notes and sustain them. No, grabe. Grabe. I'm amazed of how good Arvery is. And ang gusto ko lang from Arvery talaga is kumanta siya ng out of her comfort zone. Maganda yung meron talaga tayong trademark. Maganda yung meron talaga tayong style. But as a performer or as a singer, it's also very important for us to be versatile in other genre. Siguro yan yung hinihintay or gustong makita pa ng mga hurado, no, from Arvery. Although she's really good at this kind of genre. But in terms of other genres, no, I think we need to see more of her versatility. Kasi 100% she's a great vocalist in terms sa mga ganitong genre, no? Pang OST yung boses niya, pang prime time, no? Prime time, drama-rama sa hapon, pang OST talaga ng isang teleserye or telenovela. But right now, what I really want from Arvery or what I want to see from Arvery is her versatility na kumanta naman siya ng out of her comfort zone. Yun lang. But this performance is, I think, one of her best performances. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.